Hello guys, for today's video it is an alert on LYFT, so stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim Armain. I am your trainer and your coach. For today's video, I see that Uber has crossed the support line and it's a new low for Wednesday. So since we are today on Wednesday, so be careful. Only two things will happen. If there is a big demand of LYFT, it can go up and cross the support line. Please, I will show you right now after explain. Okay, so if there is a big demand, the stock will go up again. But today, Thursday, 9 of May 2019 will be decisive. Okay, so let's go to the chart. Now look at the chart. I have explained to you before that Uber get a high of $88.60 in the first day in the 29th March. Okay, as you can see here, see how the stock was with the high of 88.60. Okay, now it goes down too much, then it goes up, then it makes a new low in this day, which is 10 of April. 10 of April, it makes a new low of $59.75. Now it goes up a little bit and then it makes a new low here, and then it goes up, it makes a new low here. On the last low was on 26 April 2019, and I have made a video here. And what did I tell you? I tell you, if LYFT will cross this 54.32, there will be a problem for LYFT. Now today, which is Wednesday, 8th of May 2019, LYFT has gone $6.43. It means nearly 11%, which is too much. 11%. There is no earnings. There is nothing. So why do you think that all this sale? Now, understand, guys, that yesterday was Wednesday, today is Thursday, is very decisive for LYFT. A lot of people, okay, may short LYFT today, which is Thursday, okay, and they are waiting for Uber to come on Friday. So it's the big surprise with Uber IPO for tomorrow, which is 10 of May, Friday. Okay, so understand that tomorrow is a big day for LYFT. Now for me, I don't predict anything, but since Wednesday it collapsed and we have a new low, I think it might be going down more and more. So if you are a day trader, it is your day to check the weakness of LYFT. If it is weak, you can short it. If you go right, you can make a lot of money, because LYFT now is a weak stock, and people are looking for Uber for tomorrow, Friday, Friday 10 of May 2019. So for you guys who are interested in maybe shorting, Now, I don't say that tomorrow it will be going down for sure. No, no one knows. But it is just because Wednesday it has a new low. It could be a new other low on Thursday, which is today. So be careful, guys, who are doing day trading. Try to see very much. Try to watch in the morning and see what's going on, and understand that people are not interested anymore in Lyft. They are interested in Uber, which is on Friday. Okay, so understand that people, they always go with the new thing. Since Lyft has not succeeded, and the people maybe who bought in the first day or second day or third day, they lost money. It's time for them to just sell, because they can't stay more and more and more. That's why I told you, you should never invest in a stock until you see what the stock is doing, until you see earning news, until you see information about this company. Okay? This company, Lyft, has only one income, which is this peer-to-peer transportation. So Uber is so different. It has a lot of income and it is bigger. Okay? So, in general, this is my last message. If you are a day trader, try to see Lyft for tomorrow. If it is weak and it's going down, you can short it. Or you can buy whatever, like puts in the morning, and you see if it goes down, you can make money. Okay? So, thank you very much and see you next time.